What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to freeze your Revolut card, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell as well. So we've done a couple of Revolut tutorials, so make sure to check them out because they are filled with useful info. And if we did not cover some topic that you have troubles with, make sure to write down in the comment section below any specific tutorial and we'll try our best to help you out. So let's say you're having a card troubles and you need to freeze it or maybe even unfreeze it. So what you want to do? If you want to temporarily stop your card from being used, simply freeze the card in the app. Once your card is frozen, they will block all payments, including payments through Google and Apple Pay. If you want to use your card, you'll have to unfreeze it. So to freeze a card, what you need to do is you need to log into your Revolut account and go to the cards section by tapping the card icon in the top right corner. Then what you need to do is find the card you want to freeze and press freeze card. So the unfreeze option is the same by going to the card section in the top right corner, finding the card you want to unfreeze and tapping on it and just pressing unfreeze option. So guys, that would be it. That would be the complete process on how to freeze a card on Revolut or even how to unfreeze it. So hopefully this video was helpful to you, and as I mentioned earlier, it would mean a lot to us if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. That's it for today's guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.